Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Brasho, and I just wanted to take a quick little video and record my screen and show you guys a way that you can access even more ebooks than we currently have from our Coosa Valley link. So Miss Miner has told me about a way that we can have access to over 3,000. Currently, there's about 500, a little over 500 through our Coosa Valley website. So I'm going to go through the steps. And I'm starting from scratch. So here I am in Google. And I am going to start from scratch and record each step so we can store it. And in case you need to be reminded, you can watch this video back. So I just Google searched for Coosa Valley Elementary School. It's going to be this first one that pops up that says Google Sites. This is a great hub for many different things. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look over here to the left side of your screen and you're going to select Student Resources. Next, you will scroll down and you will select eBooks. Okay, so when you select that, there's no login for this screen. And right here, you see that we have 598 book results. Now, that's awesome. But we want to be able to have access to even more. So we will go over to the left top of our screen and click Log Out. And then we will go over to the right corner and we will click Log In. Then we will choose Login with Capstone Interactive. Click the first tab, go down to username. The username is Stand. The password is Together. Select Go. Now we can see 3,889 book results. So wonderful that they've given us access to this. Scroll down, and these are just some different books that you can read. Now, if you have an interest level, you could search for different titles in this corner. You could do a grade range, guided reading level. Also, I'll do an example to show you how to make sure it's an AR test and then take a test. Okay, so let's say we wanted to read about a germ's journey. Ooh, that would be a good one. So we're going to click a germ's journey. Okay, so the tab that automatically comes up is summary. So we'll click the next tab that says book information. At the bottom, you'll see that this is an AR quiz. It's level 2.7. You can see if there's any more titles in the series. There isn't. And then you'll play the book. I want to encourage my third graders, if it's in your reading range, to try to read it without audio. If you need help with some words, you can select the audio and it'll read it to you. But if it's in your reading range, I want you to try to read it without audio. Audio is automatically selected when we go into the book. We'll say read page by page. Well, actually it's not. If we want audio, we'll click here.
This is Rudy. Rudy feels rotten.
So I'm going to unclick audio. So then we'll just continue through. And here's our ebook. Then remember the title, and you can go back into AR to take a test. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have fun checking out the ebooks. While you're at home, I miss you and I love you. Real quick before I go, I wanted to pull up and remind you about our Read to Succeed. To get a free Six Flags ticket, you can, here we go. Go to sixflags.com/books and our code is ABRJJ. And you can log your child's hours there on your own, online. Love you guys.